AI is all the rage these days. And if you are running ads on TikTok, the good news is that as of June of 2023, you won't have to utilize ChatGPT anymore to generate ideas for your TikTok ads. Now you can actually do that within the TikTok Ads Manager. Keep watching and I'll show you exactly how to access this and a behind the scenes look at what the AI generator looks like. Also, what type of information you need to input and just how good these ideas are for future TikTok ad scripts that you can use to help promote your business on TikTok. In order to access this AI generator, we're going to come up here to ads.tiktok.com/business/creative center/script-generator. We will put the link to this down below in the description. So we're going to hit enter, and once this website pops up, it's going to ask you to sign in. You have to have a business account under TikTok, and most importantly, an Ads Manager account where you are set up and signed up to start running ads on TikTok, or you have already done so. So over here, I'm going to input my credentials and get logged in. I do recommend that you read the disclaimer at the top in the blue box at least once so that you're well aware, but basically TikTok's just telling you that they are in no way guaranteeing or making promises that by using these scripts that your ad's going to perform abnormally well or anything along those lines. Additionally, it does mention that they are sharing any information that you put in here with a third party, which is providing the AI generation part of it. So just keep that in mind. It does say please do not share any personal, sensitive, or confidential information. So with that, let's go ahead and see what exactly this tool can do for us. Industry. So there's a drop down box down here, and notice that it only has 8 selections. So not a whole lot to choose from, not super specific, and I've already looked through these. For what I'm doing, I'm going to select general because we are a marketing firm, so that's going to land under that general industry. Product name, for this one in particular, I'm going to want to promote our course, which is called Rock Your Fair and is geared towards small business owners and craft fair vendors who are looking for events, craft fairs, and pop-ups to attend and to promote their products and services. So our product is going to be Rock Your Fair. That's the name of the course. And then I've already typed up a brief description right here. Our product is a 6-module self-paced online course for small businesses or craft vendors that want to stand out at events, craft fairs, or pop-ups, want to market their products or services like a seasoned pro, and book more sales than ever before. Notice that in this box, you have up to 1,000 characters, so you can put as much detailed information as you want. I think that that's plenty. Definitely, you know, maybe if they had chosen 500, I think it would limit it. But with up to 1,000 characters, there's plenty of room there to put all of the detailed information that you want included in the scripts that they're going to generate. If you continue on, there's an arrow right here with the term advanced settings. Go ahead and choose that and scroll down, and there's going to be a box that says video format. So here there's a drop down and you can tell it what type of video you're thinking of creating. So this is great if you know your limitations and if you want it to be very specific about what to put together and generate idea-wise for you. Some of the options on here are automatic system selection, which is just the basic, video with a green screen background, multi-scenario product showcase. You can even select product unboxing, product testing, or product showcase. If you have a very specific thing that you're trying to accomplish with these ads, so if you know for a fact you want to use a green screen background, then go ahead and select that here. Because I do not, and I want to see what ideas they have for me, I'm going to select the automatic system selection. So it's kind of giving them just a broad overview and letting them know you can provide me with any suggestions as far as what the ad should be. Keywords, if you want it to contain certain keywords or selling points, you put those right here. They have options to include up to 5. The other option that they give you is as far as duration. Now you can select short video, 15 to 30 seconds, or a long video, which is 31 to 60 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and select short, just because it'll provide a really brief script. But if I don't like any of what it generates, I can always go back and add or change to the 31 to 60 range. And if I do that, then I would probably go back and also add a little more detail to my description, because then it will give them way more information instead of just that brief overview that I provided. So let's go ahead and select Generate Script. All right, the AI generator is done, and it looks like it's given us plenty of options to work with. All right, so I'm scrolling down so you could see. If you see something that you like, there's a button right here that says copy, and you can simply hit that button and then go in and paste it in a Word document or do whatever you want with this script. So it's very convenient for you to be able to utilize the ideas that it's giving you. The other thing is at the bottom, there's also a Generate More. If you don't like any of the ideas that it presents you at first, you can go ahead and tell it to generate more ideas for you. So definitely don't think that you are only being given 3 options. So let's look at the first 3 options that they give us. Script number 1, notice there are several components to every script. They are telling you scene-wise how you can set it up, and then on top of it, they're giving you the hook, the scene, and the call to action. And so on the left-hand side, it's going to be the voiceover, and on the right-hand side, they're telling you visually what is occurring on screen. So for the first script option that they're giving us here, the hook that they are recommending, the voiceover on the video, would be, are you a small business owner or craft vendor struggling to stand out at events? Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed and stressed out at craft fairs and pop-ups? And then they're recommending that on the screen, we show a small business owner setting up a booth at a craft fair looking stressed and overwhelmed. And they even go as far as providing recommended text overlay that would say rock your fair. In the second scene, they're saying the voiceover would say introducing Rock Your Fair, the 6-module self-paced online course that will teach you how to market your products and services like a seasoned pro. And then the on visual screen with that would be a person working on their laptop with a stack of notes and a notebook next to them, insinuating that they're learning. And so the text overlay that they recommend is learn from the experts. Then scene 3 would cut to the voiceover. With Rock Your Fair, you'll learn how to stand out at events, craft fairs, and pop-ups and book more sales than ever before, with the on-screen visual recommendation that we show a person with a big smile standing in front of their booth at a craft fair with a crowd of people around them. And then the text overlay that they recommend says, join our course today. And lastly, the call to action voiceover says, don't miss out on this opportunity to take your small business or craft vendor business to the next level. Sign up for Rock Your Fair today. And then the on-screen visual would show a person checking their phone and seeing a notification for a sale. And the text overlay that they're recommending says, get started now. Y'all, that's pretty darn good. So that ad, I think, would be effective to introduce the Rock Your Fair course to the right target audience. I'm not going to run through the other 2 scripts like I did the first one, but I do want you to notice that the hooks all vary, and it's using the information that I provided in that paragraph or that product description to generate these. So the second hook that they would recommend for a video would be, are you tired of blending in at craft fairs or events? And then the third one is, struggling to stand out at events and craft fairs? Let Rock Your Fair help you rock your booth and increase sales. So they're just taking the information that I gave it and they're switching it up into what they think would be an effective hook for an ad that we can run on TikTok. And I love that it's doing this. I'm going to come in here and I'm going to hit generate more just to see how it's going to change up the hooks for the other recommended ads. It generated 3 more scripts, and it seems like when I'm looking at them that they're just reiterating or using different variations of the information I gave it. So in order for me to really get the best results for these scripts that they're recommending, I would go back in and add more detailed information to that product description. I think that is going to generate the best results for this AI generating tool. After reviewing their recommendations, I think script number 3 is probably my most favorite. And so I am actually going to come over here and select the copy. And now I have it to where I can open up my Word document and save my script so that I can start working on putting this ad together on TikTok. Hey SOB, small owned business, stick around and watch this next video right here, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now, because every Monday we release a new marketing video just like this one that could help you market and grow your business. Also, don't forget that we have a bunch of free downloads and resources at our website at www.theseasonedmarketer.com.